Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good, hope you're well. It is so early in the morning. It is 7:59 on Saturday, so it's almost 8 o'clock, and I've just woken up. Well, I woke up like probably at 7:30, and I needed to take a shower to help me wake up and actually, get things done because I wanted to sleep in, and I slept late last night editing a video and like working on, of course, uni stuff, so it's been a busy week. So yeah, I wanted to film a weekend in the life of a student, and I feel like I'm enjoying filming these, and today's going to be an interesting day. Today is very packed, very full. I don't know how I'm going to even condense this into like less than 20 minutes, but we'll get there. Anyways, hope you're all good, hope you're all having a fantastic day, morning, whenever you're watching this. I hope I'm not too close to the camera. I raise a hallelujah in the presence of my... Right guys, so I'm done with my quiet time. Right now it is 9 o'clock, 2 minutes past 9, and I want to start. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. so I need to be leaving this house by about 9:45 to make it to the meeting. This room, which means I have 50 minutes to clean this room and my bathroom. This room is in a tip. That's me right now. I'm gonna just speed clean my room. Hopefully I can do it in half an hour. And just wash up my bathroom, tidy this place up, hoover it, put things back where they're supposed to be. And yeah, fun. I raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I raise a hallelujah, and heaven comes to fight for me. In the middle of the mystery, heaven comes to fight for me. In the middle of the mystery, I will watch the darkness flee. I raise a hallelujah with everything inside of me. I raise a hallelujah. I will watch the darkness flee. I raise a hallelujah in the middle of the mystery. Oh, I raise a hallelujah. Hi guys, I didn't even get to finish cleaning everything, but I cleaned the bathroom, tied up the room. I still have dishes to wash and like hoovering to do. Then I'll be completely done. So I couldn't show you guys that yet, but I am on my way to my meeting because I'm running almost late. But yeah, I can't record for too long because my arms, I'm carrying 2 big bags and they're really heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the meeting now, and I will be back. Don't know if you can see me, but I'll be back in about 2 to 3 hours, and then I'll update you guys on what I'm doing. So see ya. Okay, So I'm back, guys. Back from my meeting. Whew, it took a bit longer than usual. It's currently 1:30 right now, and I just finished tidying up, because you guys remember I didn't quite finish tidying up before I left the house. So I finished tidying up, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm really impressed with my work, considering what you guys saw in the morning. That spot that was messy, I'm gonna put like a quick before and after. It's now sorted out. We're gonna ignore my desk because I just ate lunch, so don't mind that. I need that later on. Yeah, all the extra stuff and packages that were here are all gone now. So, and my bed is made, so that's nice. The room is tidy. My bathroom is sparkling clean. It wasn't yesterday but now it's just lovely. A bit blurry, but yeah, that's all done now. I'm about to go and make some batter, because like you would have seen in the title, I have a party I'm going on later on today, my friend's birthday party, and I'm making puff puff, my specialty. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me to the kitchen. You can see a little bit of how I make it. But yeah, I'm gonna make it. It takes like maybe 5 to 10 minutes to actually make the batter, and then you have to leave it to rise for like at least an hour and a half, or an hour at the very least, if your yeast is really good. So I'm quite rushed for time, so I'm going to do for like an hour and a half, and then in that hour and a half that I'm waiting, I'm going to do a bit of my study, because I am running a little bit late, do a little bit of work, uni work, and then start getting my makeup on. Yeah, I believe that's it. So catch you in the kitchen. Okay, so I feel like I'm missing something, and it's gonna hit me during this vlog, but yeah. And guys, just to show you just a bit of, you know, the stress that I go through, I'm also uploading a video to YouTube. So by the time that you see this vlog, you would have seen that vlog. So it's currently uploading. I'm gonna upload it today. I need to make a thumbnail for it and a 1-minute snippet that I post on Twitter, on all my socials. So it's not really difficult, because usually I just take the first minute of my actual video and make it as a snippet. And to do that, I need to make a thumbnail, all in this space of time. So let's get it.
I raise a hallelujah in the presence of my enemies. I raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I raise a hallelujah, and heaven comes to fight.
let's what time?
Okay.
I'll just sleep.
Time dinner.
The sleep goes too. Yeah, wow. What's
I will watch the darkness flee. I raise a hallelujah. With everything. I will watch the darkness flee. And I raise a hallelujah. Of the mystery. Oh, I raise a hallelujah. Be lost your hold on me.
Okay, so I have got my cuppa here, my night cuppa. Guys, I think this is the reason why my teeth is getting so yellow, is that I drink tea so... Oh, for the past year now, I've been drinking tea a lot. I don't think I go a day without tea, and my teeth is becoming so yellow, but we move.
I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roaring. Out from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. I'm gonna sing strong.
Thought I'd show you the finished result. Looks pretty neat, doesn't it? So yeah, this is my 4 clips. I did the font and then did just a couple of, you know, stuff. Just regular schmegular. I use an app called Canva. It's a really, really good app for like fun fonts and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm just going to upload this video. It is currently 11:30, so that is great. So I uploaded the video. You will see it by now. I'm gonna link it up here so you can see it. Oh my god. I will see you guys in a different video. Hope you enjoyed this little, you know, chill, spend the weekend with me. Hope it was eventful, and I'll see you in the next one.